Hello everybody, hopefully you're doing well and staying fine. We'll start with chapter 7 lesson 2, structure, movement and control. So as you know that the human body can move in many different directions, and it can perform a wide variety of tasks. For example, you can run, different parts of the body work together to move, or let us say when shooting a ball or swimming into a pool. The human body can also stay very still, such as sitting on the chair or laying down. So in this lesson you will actually read about two organ systems, the skeletal and the muscular systems, that give body structure. It helps the body move and protect the other organs and the other organ systems. So first we start up with the skeletal system. The skeletal system has four major jobs. It protects internal organs, it provides support, and it helps the body to move and store minerals. The skeletal system is mostly made up of bones. Adults have 206 bones, ligaments, tendons and cartilage. They're also part of the skeletal system. So we come to the main functions of the skeletal system: storage. The skeletal system is also important storage site for minerals such as calcium. You know, we get calcium, which is essential for life, important for life. The storage part has many functions in the body, such as calcium, because calcium is required by muscles for contractions. The nervous system also needs calcium for communication. Most of the calcium in the body is stored in bones. Calcium helps build stronger compact bones. You know that we can get calcium from cheese, milk and other sources. The second function is the support. You know that without skeleton your body would look like a bean bag. You won't be able to move. Your skeleton gives your body structure and support. Your bones actually help you to stand, to sit down, to raise your arm, to play an instrument, and to do different kind of things. Plus protection. Many of the bones in the body protect organs that are made up of softer tissues. For example, the skull protects the softer tissue of the brain, and the rib cage protects the softer tissue of the lungs and the heart. Plus the lungs also helps in the movement. The skeletal system helps the body move by working with the muscular system. Bones can move because they are attached to muscles. You will read more about the interaction of skeletal system and the muscular system later in this lesson. Now, bone types. There are organs that contain two types of tissues. We have the compact bone, that is hard and the outer layer of the bone. Spongy bone, which is the interior region of bone that contains many tiny holes. As you can see here, spongy bone is inside the compact bone, spongy one. Now some bones also contain bone marrow. As you can see here, we have a yellow marrow. There can be different marrows. Now remember, the bone marrow, it is a part of the lymphatic system that makes white blood cells. We move on to muscular system. We already know that there are muscle cells in our arms and legs, but not only that, the muscles are not just there, but even your heart, your eyes, your blood vessels, all these parts have muscles in them, and without muscle cells you would not be able to talk, nor write, nor run, nor sit. So you can see here in the picture that muscle cells are actually everywhere in your body. Almost 1/2 of your body mass is muscle cells, and these muscle cells make up the muscular system. They work together, they help the body to move. The muscular system is made up of three different types of muscles. You have the skeletal muscle, as you can see here, the skeletal muscle. Then you have the cardiac muscle of the heart, and the smooth muscle, such as the one of the stomach. Skeletal muscle works with the skeletal system and helps you to move. tendons connect skeletal muscles to bones, and then the skeletal muscle also gives you strength to lift heavy objects. On the other hand, the cardiac muscle, which is the heart, cardiac muscle is only the heart. It continually contracts and relaxes and moves blood throughout your body. So it's an independent muscle. Smooth muscle tissue, such as the stomach one, that it moves materials through your body. Smooth muscle tissues in the organs such as the stomach and the bladder. Blood vessels, for example, also have smooth muscle tissues. That was the lesson for today. Thank you. If you have still any question, please feel free to ask anytime.